Say adia ehia yen me ene wo nyina ye adwuma Ghana for ye ni adwuma enu ti na ebi mu kɔ Sri Lanka ebi mu nam no mu kɔ Vietnam ebi mu kɔ ekurofu bia na Ghana for kɔ so
problem ye adwuma crossing ye adwuma krom ye adwuma abotisu ye adwuma who we school plan na una degree a doctor lawyer adwuma ni wo enso hwe flags abobo ho hwe won ko ni hwe But I came and I said that I would turn poverty into a gift. I've done it. Now I'm saying that I will turn my country to the powerhouse of Africa. Remember this day that I came here and said that.
Dinipa echia ono no waje bida sabe udi obi blinder no disrespect to the blind people but udi obi asabe onhu ade echia mu nyina mkoto botem.
Hello, keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.
Hello, I have Xposed GH. Subscribe, mommy, any tumpa. Now on Saka. Nana calling Bediako is still on a campaign trail. So on Western region and buga nemu. Now some Makoka say Ghana. Say adia ehia yen me and the wood in aye adwuma. Ghana for ye ni adwuma. I don't know ebi mu kɔ Sri Lanka, ebi mu nam no mu kɔ Vietnam, ebi mu kɔ ekurofu bia na Ghana for kɔ so. Because ye ni adwuma ai wo man mu a adwuma ni ha enti adwuma ye ni bi na no no obisa nkofo flag be be on ma ye hu NDC MPP ana no mo ma adwuma ye kwatie mra
problem ye adwuma crossing ye adwuma krom ye adwuma abotisu ye adwuma who we school plan na una degree a doctor lawyer adwuma ni ho enso hwe flags abobo ho hwe won ko ni hwe in the next 4 years, you only have one option. You don't have a choice. If you decide to throw this vote away and you go through this struggle for another 4 years, I'm telling you, your children will leave you. We will leave you. Straight. You have a choice to go straight. And when it's time to make you turn by your own decision. Yes. You don't make a decision based on a party. Yes. No, the party will decide because of you. And the government is not you. You make the government. Yes. If you want to be a government, the government in your work. Yes. So one to Obi and you my soul. Yes. So one Kasana, one to Obi and top. So one year Obi and yet. One Kopanamamba, Obi and Kofa. We are the government. We are the country. We are the nation. And therefore they should listen to our voice.
Oh! Yes! 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 Yes!
Wako tiaba. Bisawu se adentina Ghana for yentimi nya adwuma mani buso. Yentimi emma ye ho adwuma mani buso. First of all, ideology, your mentality na weak. Ai obi ko school a school ni nyina no ni dream ana ni vision ana ni obi nyina ne se miri abebotai. Ai meanwhile ni pano so ye technocrat, ye kase technocrat e bia or ye engineer. As engineer you are supposed to what go onto the field. Eti based on that ninti onu wi a okope adwuma eni ho se oba be ye. So what I say, but obroni news ha ono ba no ono hu se papa bi ebie adwuma afani per 1000 na dwe ni se eba ni se no timi ye number 2 study no. Number 3, I said me be na me for nipa 2,000. That is the mentality. Number 2, nioma na ye dwen no, are they even suited to Ghana? Eye me mobo so bitimi ko school ase me kwa kosia pilot when Jimmy first class. Place I na wo Ghana. Place I Ghana kwa ye ni national way. Enti adwuma na kesa okosua no obi wo se kosua Swahili wo school. Onim nyansa. Swahili na kosua na mama mi West Scadia. Now so nyansa wo fam. Because at the end of one man, we don't have what ready-made jobs. It's not there. It's before even you go to the school, no. Make sure say at the end of me kwakosia no. Now the last thing is this. Let's make sure say you will be able to be inside. Me, let me make say oba ko school. Mani ko bia fashion. No quite degree in fashion. Because I don't know owie Unya store bi kra mana opamade no pam ni wi a yes sport e de ndia kwabrochire onkosia automobile engineering e bi a cars no musiesie na kwaje omtimi nye no ono de because of school ni no obetimi aye what advanced cars say cars aba unim animdia unko school da omtimi nye. So these are the things that we need to do. Our education system no the way I no and then na me say ye STEM education is very good. Me are up for it and then na me hwe bibia enkola na ye asabi obi kokoto aba otoba kutumo on sent me to be. Yeah, you are surprised akola bi also in 2000 like 2020 I was surprised and I'm so boy say realize say ye benchi ade woni on mass scale e perform so munyo o mo ya so me na wiem oyo I say kofo be brave fele say na na kwa mbedi akon ye wo na sika ye the scale we no say that be wa bra be mo self-made man ye kweti e no so bra
wo me tua na me ma me adwuma ne kura woni bi na ne obedi kura no oni bi. But I came and I said that I would turn poverty into a gift. I've done it. Now I'm saying that I will turn my country to the powerhouse of Africa. Remember this day that I came here and said that. Listen, I am going beyond the borders. I am going to other African countries. I am standing up to the world. Ghana is the powerhouse of Africa. Say independent first. As I say, any economic freedom first. As I say, any other African countries say
yes, wow. Opese wudi obi echi a. De bia me say, dinipa echi a ono no waje bida. Sabe, udi obi blinder. No disrespect to the blind people. But udi obi asabi onhu ade echi a. Munyina mkoto gotem. But udi obi echi a ono waje bida or can be bia chewa, you can believe him. Or say he has made life in the hard way. And yes, sabe, owo ye na go tatare no anase busuya bi go no okofa no de adwuma. Enti sadi powe ye de Ghana shane sa mimi nim se obetimi aye Ghana yi. Campaign 20 day ye kwaso gidigidi. Every corner that na kwa bedi goes will bring it to you. I Xposed GHFM members by subscribe ya subscribe mame. Ya le tumpa na osaka bi manu asi bye bye.
Keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.